Okay, I'm here at Jack's Body Works in Palm Desert in California, and for the last 3 days we've been doing the initial installation and training for Planning Plus. So up behind me there, should be able to see it, well, that's our big display in the workshop for the planning board. So the guys are off and running. We took them live today. We've spent the first couple of days just fine-tuning things and getting ready to roll. And we've got, this shop is now a 30 user Planning Plus system. So we've got a lot of laptops everywhere and screens, and everyone in the office has got the program running. It's a really well laid out shop. They've been open now for a couple of years in this location, and it's really got some high-end gear and process. They're getting better and better all the time. They do a lot of prestige, and Planning Plus is already starting to show them what needs to be done in a different result. So California, another trip. It's nice and hot here, 100 degrees today. I leave here today and fly back home tonight. But Jack's Body Works, I'm going to take some more video and some more photos and share this with you.